Number 3. OnePlus 12R. The OnePlus 12R is an impressive addition to OnePlus lineup, offering a solid balance of performance, design, and value. Sporting a sleek, premium design with a smooth AMOLED display, it delivers vibrant colors and sharp contrast, making for an enjoyable viewing experience whether you're streaming videos or gaming. The 120Hz refresh rate further enhances the fluidity, ensuring smooth interactions across the board. Under the hood, the OnePlus 12R is powered by a high-performing Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with generous RAM options, making multitasking and running demanding apps a breeze. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or running multiple apps, the performance holds up well. The device also offers ample storage, eliminating concerns about running out of space. The camera system, while not as advanced as some flagship competitors, still delivers good results with crisp photos and decent low-light performance. The 50MP primary sensor is capable of capturing detailed shots, and the ultra-wide and macro lenses expand your photography options. Battery life is solid, easily lasting a full day with moderate use, and the 100W fast charging is a welcome feature, refilling the battery in no time. Overall, the OnePlus 12R delivers flagship-like performance at a more affordable price point, making it a compelling choice for those seeking value without compromise.